In this video, we will see how to fix a Steam Friends Network unreachable error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of a Steam error, Network unreachable, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. And here from the left side bar, click on network and internet, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here go to VPN connection. If you have added any VPN connection, then simply remove it, and advanced settings for all VPN connection, allow VPN over meter network, allow VPN while roaming. Both the feature should be disabled. And also go back, and if you have any proxy settings, then disable it first. Click on proxy and automatically detect settings, proxy setups, turn off this feature. So disable proxy and VPN network on your Windows 11 and 10 system and check whether your Steam error friends network unreachable resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open a Steam gaming app on your system and here click on Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, the Steam settings option, scroll down and go to from the left side, go to in-game settings, click on in-game, thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option, scroll down and you will find the option delete web browser data. Click on delete. Delete all Steam browser cached files and cookies and histories and finally choose confirm. Thereafter, check whether your friend's network unreachable error on your Steam gaming app resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again open a Steam app in your system. And here from the left side, top left corner, click on Steam and choose settings. Again, go to same settings page of your Steam gaming app. And here from the left side of Steam settings options, click on interface. Thereafter, from the right side, you will find the option client beta participation. And here make sure that no beta chosen option selected. Here click on a small arrow and you will find Steam beta update or choose no beta chosen. Thereafter, close the windows and check whether your Steam Friends network unreachable error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on your Steam desktop shortcuts and here choose properties. Open Steam gaming app properties windows and here Steam properties will open. Here go to shortcut from the top menu bar and go to target. And in target, where target address found, here type no friends UI just after semicolon and click on apply and OK to save the changes. You will need to provide administrator permission to change these settings. Click on OK and finally choose OK. No friends UI type in target folder. The next one is again open settings app, a Steam app and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. And in device manager window, look for network adapter section, expand it, right click on your network adapter driver. Under available network adapter driver, choose your system network adapter driver, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After that, restart your system. Your error will definitely be resolved.